Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm Rebecca, and on this channel we're all about encouraging and empowering you to become your best self through fashion, business and wellness content. And in today's video I'm going to be creating my vision board for 2021 and giving you guys some tips as it relates to setting goals effectively. So if you're interested in finding out more, make sure you like this video and keep on watching. So why am I creating a vision board? I feel like this year has taught me the importance of being so intentional about the things that I focus on, the things that I allow to entertain me. So going into 21, I feel or see the need for us to be so intentional about like setting goals and putting them on paper and putting them in a place where I can get that constant reminder that this is what I'm trying to accomplish and this is what I'm trying to achieve. Creating a vision board allows you to envision your desired reality. Creating a vision board isn't just for, say, you as an individual who are trying to like fine-tune maybe your skills or accomplish your personal goals. It's also great for businesses as well to do maybe as a group activity, kind of envision what you would like to accomplish for the following year and setting those goals and involving other people within your team to set those goals as well. Once you have the right mindset, you will be able to accomplish your goals, which is why it's so important also to practice like affirmations and to put those things on your vision board as well, like character traits that you'd like to develop. So say creativity or resilience or strength or power, and even including colors that represent those certain characteristics as well can help you to zone in and be very specific about the things that you want to achieve, so that in looking at your vision board it will resonate with you even more. Well, I think it's great to have a vision board and to have it somewhere where you can have that constant reminder of your goals. I think it's also important to write your goals down. So that may be in your journal, in your diary, in an Excel sheet or a document that you can frequently go to. In doing that, you can revisit the document or revisit the diary where you have written down your goals and break them down and be more specific about how you are going to go about achieving the things that you have put on your vision boards. This is how I went about breaking down my overall vision into specific goals and objectives. So in mind mapping, you can write down anything that comes to mind as it relates to what you want to achieve in the following year. It can be literally anything, it can be one word, it can be a sentence, whatever comes to mind, just write it down in the first column. The things you write down in your first column are the things that you will search for images or for quotes or for words to put on your actual vision board. In the second column, you want to get a bit more specific in writing out an actual goal and setting a time frame in which you want to accomplish that goal by. So whatever goals you outline need to encompass 5 elements. It needs to be specific, it needs to be measurable, attainable or achievable, realistic to what you are trying to achieve, and there needs to be a time element. Failing to include these elements will make it hard for you to evaluate the extent to which you have accomplished the goals you have set out, which can make it hard for you to reevaluate or fine-tune your goals at the end of the period that you have set out. In the objective column, you want to get even more specific about what you're going to do on a continuous basis to achieve the goals that you've written down. So you can see, as an example, for my digital marketing certification, I wrote that I'm going to be working on my portfolio for my course every Friday. Obviously, you're likely to have more than one objective or tactics for each goal that you have in mind to accomplish. This just serves as an example to give you an idea about where you can start as it relates to goal setting for the new year. Now we can finally take a look at the actual vision boards. So this is what my personal vision board is looking like so far. I like that being intentional about your use of colours helps you to resonate with your vision board even more. For the images, my go-to was Pinterest and Canva. I especially like Canva because it allows you to choose from a variety of so many photos and elements The quality of the pictures that I printed out from Canva also came out so much better in comparison to the ones I got from Pinterest. And Canva also gives you the additional option of customizing your photos to make them more specific and real to you and the goals that you are putting on your vision board. So, what are my goals for 2021? Like I said, this year my aim is to be more intentional about what I focus on. So, one of my biggest goals is to monetize my YouTube channel and to grow my Instagram as a means to, one, grow my digital skills and also to serve as a revenue stream as well. So finishing my digital marketing courses and getting more experience in the digital marketing industry, learning about financial management and how to invest my time, because time is money, are all things that I want to focus on to help me fine-tune my digital skills to grow my personal and business brand. Outside of that, your girl's trying to get fit. She's trying to get that glowing skin and that hair growth, which is why I've made it a goal of mine to exercise and to prioritize like self-care and looking after myself and being kind to myself and eating right, because you know what you put in your body will be evident on the outside. I even have my little black man in the corner because, Lord, I have seen what you have done for others and I pray you do the same for me. Honestly, I really just had fun doing this and finding words that resonated with me. Creating this vision board, it's really an eye-opener to me, and I just want to extend this to you as an affirmation that you can claim your desired reality into existence. You can remind yourself that good things are coming despite the difficult year that we've all had and the test that we've all had to face. This year presents itself as a new opportunity to seize opportunities and work on your shortcomings, and just believe that you will receive everything that God has set out for you. Let me know in the comments what's one of the top goals that you're trying to accomplish going into 2021. I want to wish you guys all a happy new year, and I will see you in my next video.